Guys, it's your girl Taya. Today I'm going to be doing a wash day with some new products that I picked up by the SASHAPURE line. So if you guys want to see how I go from this dry, dull, lifeless mane to these juicy, bouncy, moisturized curls, then just keep watching. You guys, can I just tell you how much I love working certain events? So I recently did the Expo East and I was able to get my hands on some hair products. I picked up the SASHAPURE line because I haven't really heard of it. I haven't seen any reviews going around YouTube. So I was able to get the Rehydrating Cleansing Conditioner. I also got their Restorative Conditioning Mask because y'all know I love me some deep conditioner. And then I also just got their oil just to seal in some of the moisture. Alright, so let's just jump right in. I'm just starting off by drenching my hair. You guys have seen me do this plenty of times, but this week, my hair was extra dry. So I had to go in with a lot of water. I've already pretty much split my hair in half. You guys know I love to work in sections. Look how creamy their conditioner is. That I really love, and it smelled bomb. Like when I say bomb, it smelled so good. I can't really describe the smell, but take my word for it, guys. It smelled bomb. If you like that clean, kind of like not fruity sweet, but like just sweet smelling smell. I don't even know if I'm making sense, but it's bomb. You guys will see if you get a chance to get your hands on some. Now I'm just pretty much sectioning my hair in fourths because I want to go in and try to cleanse my scalp a little bit. It said that it's a cleansing conditioner, so we're going to go ahead and put it to the test and see if it really is going to clean my hair. And I would say if I had to give it like a slip level compared to the Aussie Moist or the Trader Joe's conditioner, I would say it's up there. Like I definitely would give it an 8 because it has a lot of slip. But you guys got to keep watching because that deep conditioner, yo, I'm not even going to get into it right now, but just keep watching. You guys are in for a treat. I was so surprised by this product, but yes. Anyway, moving along, I'm just doing the same thing with this section. Again, like I said, I wanted to make sure that I got a good cleanse because y'all saw how dry and matted this hair was. So yes, I had to go in with my Denman brush. My fingers was not getting through this hair, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it up. Y'all know how I do, working halves, working fours, just depending on the day. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip that up and go ahead and wash the other side. So a lot of you guys always ask me, how do I wash my hair? And a lot of times you always tell me that like it's hard for you to wash your hair. So here I'm just trying to show you like how you actually get a thorough washing or a shampoo. It doesn't really take that long, I guess, if you put your hair in sections. That's really key. So here I'm just taking my little shampoo brush that I got from Sally's, and it is so bomb. I don't have the one that like vibrates, but this one works just as well, and it's like $2. So just section your hair off. I think that's the best thing to do. If you section your hair off and then you detangle your hair, you'll find that it's a lot easier to shampoo your hair, and then you won't feel so, you know, like, oh man, I don't want to do this wash day, it's so annoying. So section your hair, and that will really cut down a lot on time. I know it seems like, oh well, if I take my time to section it, it may seem time consuming, but no. If you section your hair and then go in like that, it actually makes your wash day a lot easier. So I hope that answers any questions that you guys may have had. Now that I'm done, as you guys can see, that did not take me very long at all. I'm just doing my little dance because I'm excited that I got this wash day pretty much over with. And here's my hair all rinsed out. And look how soft my hair is, you guys. Like, I mean, it's just bomb. Like, it's so soft. I was so happy getting my entire life because it definitely needed that conditioning, that co-wash. So I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair up and again go back into my sections. Now it's time for my favorite part of the day, which is deep conditioning. If you've been following me on my channel for a while now, you guys know how much I love a thick and creamy product, and yo, this one was no different. This was so nice and creamy. Like, look at that consistency, you guys. It was so good, and the whole line pretty much smells the same way. So I'm just taking, you know, a little bit in my hands and just starting off with applying that deep conditioner everywhere, all over my entire half of my hair, making sure that I go into the ends, because you guys know the ends are the oldest part of your hair. Make sure you baby them ends, guys. I can't stress this enough. Okay guys, wait for it, wait for it. Do you guys see this slip? Like, what? I was so impressed with this deep condition. I'm like, okay, I see you, SASHAPURE. You better work, deep conditioner. So like I said, I have never seen this product going around YouTube. I am so happy that I got my hands on it. If nothing else in the line that I would suggest to get, or get your hand, you know, pick up if you ever come across it, please get your hands on that deep conditioner. When I say that's about to be added to my new favorites, like, yeah, it's giving a couple of deep conditioners a run for their money. I mean, I can't stress enough how amazing and how much slip this has. So anyway, I'm just adding it to the other half of my hair, just kind of twisting it up, making sure those ends are nice and coated. Again, going back into the top half of my hair, adding it to the ends, making sure it's nice and coated. And that is pretty much it. And before I forget, I just wanted to quickly show you guys the oil as well that I picked up from them. I don't always go in with my on my deep, like with the oil on my deep conditioners, but I decided that I wanted to use it, and I wasn't really sure how to use the oil, so I figured let me just go ahead and add it on top of the deep conditioner just to give it that extra moisture. Oh, and I did end up just taking a little bit and just adding it to my hair once my hair was done. So as you guys can see, it comes with like a little dropper. I'm just taking that dropper, just placing it all around the edges of my hair, just kind of putting it in my hair as well. And that was starting to kind of get annoying, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so I decided to go ahead, close the dropper, just add a little bit to my hair or to my hands and just rub it all over my head. And that was pretty much it for the oil, guys. I think the oil was good. Again, like I said, I would recommend the deep conditioner if you're gonna get anything. And that pretty much completes the end. I just went on ahead and put a plastic bag over my head, and I'm gonna sit in the dryer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.